Hello, welcome back to another video. So hopefully with the videos you've already seen, you're now really familiar with how to make it and you get going. I would suggest probably get cracking with that first stage of just the general making your kefir. What we're going to do is offer this is another video to show you if you want a double blast, a really good next stage you can go on to if you want. You can double ferment your kefir, which immensely boosts it even further. So me and my mum, so we double ferment now, we both double ferment, and it just gives it that extra bit of boost. So we're going to tell you how to do that. I'd recommend just getting comfortable with just the normal fermentation process, and then you can come on to this. So yeah,
so what we're doing when we're double ferment is we're going to add in some form of fruit. It can just actually be, you know, skin of citrus is ideal. That's the only lemon. I normally have lovely lemons, but you know, that's a lemon that you could use. Or I've tried actually with orange, which is quite nice. And this is pink grapefruit that I've also tried. So if you were going to use the skin, you just want a very thin bit of the skin. Perhaps, you know, about that size, and I have taken it thin so that I haven't got the pith on the inside, so it's just literally the orange, and it will give it a slight flavour as well, which is ideal. So that's one thing. If I was going to use that, I would just drop that in. This time I'm actually going to try something that's different. I've been doing quite lately, and it's worked quite well, and that is just to add in blueberries, and these are frozen blueberries as well. That's something else that you can pop in there. So first of all,
full of fibre blueberries as well. So if you are doing this for bowel reasons, maybe some constipation, which it does help with in the researches in the fruit, your handful of blueberries contain more fibre than a bowl of Weetabix. So you're going to get your fibre with, if you are double fermenting, blueberries would be a good shout. And this also helps because I blast mine as a smoothie. We have it as a smoothie every morning. So it really helps, just that flavour. I put a rind of lemon in. Yeah, it just gives it a really lovely fresh taste. But yeah, you can play around with whatever you kind of want.
This is what I love, the silicone just
yeah, it does make it very easy, doesn't it?
Yeah. So and then that's it, guys. So we're putting the lid on this time rather than the muslin. And there we go, 24 hours. So
that's another 24 hours.
Yeah.
So the difference with double ferment is you don't need to put a cloth on, you don't need to keep it air. You can put the lid on so it's airtight, and you're just basically putting something in it, a bit of fruit in it, and you're leaving it for another 24 hours on the bench. So not in the fridge, on the bench.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's what you do for double ferment. Next video will show you the 24 hours later of what you're going to do with your double fermented.